Want skin that feels as good as it looks? This lotion might just become your new skincare obsession.
That crisp, refreshing taste, instantly iconic. Whether you are chilling with friends, powering through your day, or just taking a moment for yourself, Coke brings the perfect spark to any moment.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny. What if I had told you you could create professional marketing materials in just minutes without having to hire a designer or spend hours on cover? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this AI tool that can generate stunning marketing content for your brand, business, or social media in just a few clicks. So whether you need flyers, social media posts, or art creative, this tool would have you covered. So if you want to know how to do this, I would encourage you to stick around to the end of this tutorial, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well. Let's get started. So first things first, you need to really decide on what product you are trying to market here. Okay, so for instance, if you are trying to market a lotion or body care product or makeup product or skincare product, it really depends on the type of product you're trying to market. If you are trying to market clothes, then if you come into this tool called topview.ai, you probably will want to go with like product image sheets. Let's say if you are trying to market like a body care product, a beverage, you probably would want to have like a product's avatar, which is basically an avatar holding your products with one image. So let me walk you through how you could create your own product avatar and then how you can also use it subsequently on your social media account. So I'm going to come into topview.ai and I'm going to click on product avatar. So when I come in here, as you can see, there are existing avatars that you can use. So it really depends on what your brand story is. It really depends on what type of story you're trying to sell. So for instance, if you don't want to use any of these existing avatars, then maybe you would want to design your own avatar. Okay, so I'm going to click on design your own avatar, and then in here you can mainly decide on what you want the gender to be. So for instance, if you want the gender of your avatar to be a female, then you could really select female. Ethnicity, it could be white, or let's say I want a black person. In terms of the posture, it could be image based or it could be text based. And in terms of the shot type, you could make it like close up. So if you want something close up, it would be something like what you see on the right hand side here. But if you don't want a close up image, then it could be like a medium shot. Okay, I'm just gonna stick with close up. And then in terms of the description of the product, shape, and avatar posture, you see some default ones in here. I'm gonna put in like a different one, for instance. So I have this as that description in here because I am trying to build a product avatar for a skincare product. So I have in here that the left hand is holding the lotion bottle while the right hand is more visible in the frame. If I was gonna create a product avatar for like a canned drink, for instance, I would rather not use the lotion bottle. I'll use a canned drink. It just helps in making your product avatar look a lot more realistic. And in terms of face, you can decide to put in your own face so that you use it as a reference image. Like you don't want to use your own face, then you can just leave it there and it'll generate an avatar for you. Description of clothing and hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go with, let's say, casual everyday style outfit and casual hairstyle. I'm not gonna change this. Maybe I'm gonna say African twist braids. And then in terms of the description and background, I'm just gonna keep it in modern and minimalistic bedroom. I'm just gonna keep it like that. And then I'm gonna click on regenerate here. And this is super cool. So as you can see, we have about 4 different images in here that have been generated for us. So depending on the type of lotion you have, like depending on the size of the bottle you have, you may decide on which of these you wanna go with. Okay, so if you have like a small bottle, then you go with a small bottle. If you have a big bottle, you go with a big bottle. The image of the lotion I wanna use is slightly big, so I'm gonna go with this big one here. And so I'm gonna click on use. Okay, so as you can see, this part has been highlighted as this yellow part. So really what you want to do, we want to make sure that whatever image you put in here is gonna be the same size as this. Okay, I'm gonna click on replace with my product image. Okay, so my image is here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag it a bit just so it fits the whole box. Okay, so I think this is fine now, and I'm just gonna click on confirm product position. Okay, this is super good. This is really good. So as you can see, we have these images generated for us. So at this point, you can just decide to just download this or you can make a video out of this. So let's say I want to make a video out of this. I'm probably gonna choose one of these images here and decide to make a video out of it. So I'm gonna probably go with this one, this first one, and I'm gonna click on image to video avatar. Okay, so this has been generated for us. I'm gonna play the output so that you'd see. I'm top view product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your your products, top few product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective. This is really good. The other beautiful thing about this is that you can also use your own scripts. You could input an audio so you could record yourself, say what you need to say, and then you upload your own audio, or you can use your own scripts. So that's really cool. And if you decide to use your own script, you can also select who you can clone your voice in here, which is a really good feature. Or you could select any of these predefined voices, or you could basically tune your voice and use a custom voice. So that's really cool. Yeah, so that is it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You get comments in the comment section below. Yes, subscribe, all the good stuff. I also do have other tutorials on this channel where I teach how to create animated case story videos using AI tools. I want to encourage you to go watch those ones as well. I'll leave a link to all of those on the screen so that you can go check them out. For now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.